Thanks for watching the 101 uses of a multi-tool. I'm Robin Clevitt and I'm here on tour. I'm out on site and I've got a 32mm Japanese tooth blade. It's perfect for plastic and wood, which is lucky because I need to remove a section of fascia board and soffit board. It's plastic, just like everyone's using everywhere, but I need to keep the gutter intact because we need access to this part of the wall here. So I'm going to cut it out in situ, and I think the multi-tool and this blade is going to be perfect for the job. So thanks to modern tools like a multi-tool with modern technology like these 32mm Japanese tooth blades, I'm able to go inside here, cut out this plastic fascia and soffit, remove it out of the way, keep the gutter intact. I'm not hitting the walls or anything like that. If I was trying to do that with a handsaw, it would be really difficult and hard work. And also, I've got a cable there and I need to do everything quite carefully around that, even though it's armoured and it would withstand some abuse. We don't want to be doing that. Thanks so much for watching me on the 101 uses of a multi-tool. I'm Robin Clevitt, out on tour. See you all soon.